Okay, so now today we are going to learn multiplication of any number into any three-digit number. Okay, yes, let's take an example. The problem is 2343. Okay, so first what we need to do is step one is we need to add two zeros before the number and two zeros after the number. Now start from the left hand side. 212. We have taken a number which we have to which we need to apply multiplication. So we need to do cross multiplication of three digit into three digit. It is nothing but 0 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2, sorry, 0 times 2 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, and middle 0 times 1 is 0. So total 4. So in first box we need to take 4. Understood? Now we need to move the number one, one step forward. 2, 1, 2 again. Same cross multiplication and addition. 0 times 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Answer is 0, 8. Same way, you just move the number one step forward until we reach to the last position. 2, 1, 2. You just like make a cancel of it. Whenever positions are completed, you make a cancel of it. Based on that cancellation, you can see that how many are completed. Just like verification. Now, same to same. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 1 is 3. 4, 8, 3. Answer like 15. Same. Just move the number. Make a cancel of it. Write 2, 1, 2 again. So 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 times 2 is also 6. 4 times 4 and 16. Make a cancel of 3 now. 2, 1, 2. It's very easy. 8 plus 0 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 0 to 5, 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. So 11. And finally, how many are completed? 5 numbers completed. So finally, then 2, 1, 2 again. 3 times 2 is 6. That's it. Remaining all zeros, I know that. So now completed. Reach it to last number. Now apply carry rule. 6, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 6, 7, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 8, 9, 0 plus 4, 4. So this is the answer. Understood? Just wait.